very well because I'm going to be opening a box, but where is it? So now this is the box. Thank you for Adidas. This box. Yeah. It's a Sleely J. Size 5.5. Can't wait to open. Let's open it. Okay. Ooh, look at these. Adidas black. Oh, hopefully you can see. Yeah, this looks sick. Can't wait to skate these. Another pair. Yeah, these look sick. So, yeah. Okay, let's try these on. Looks sick. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Sick. Yeah, these look sick. Yeah, big thanks to Adidas for trying it out. Now I might do a kickflip test later.